Hello everyone. Of late, I have been getting a lot of queries from the students, which is the course I should apply for. So some of the NLUs have the provision for multiple integrated programs like BA LLB or BB LLB, and some of the private law colleges also do the same. So I can understand there is a lot of confusion among the students, which is the course I should apply for. So today I'll address that question and will help you take a better call regarding the course outline which you are going to study in the law colleges when you get there in the month of July. So whether I should go for BLLB or BBLLB is actually dependent or more dependent on what is your academic background. So for example, a student who has studied humanities or arts in his class 11th and 12th should actually go for B.ALL.B, and that is what is advised actually. But if you have studied commerce, accounts, science, mathematics for that matter, it is generally advised that you go for BBA/LLB. See, one is free to make his or her own choice, and that depends on your interest and aptitude. Though this is generally advised that people from background should go for a particular program, but at the end of the day, it is actually dependent on the student where the interest lies. The programs actually differ in the first degree content. So it's the combination of the program which differs, and largely in the first 2 years or at maximum first 3 years, not more than that. Every student studies the same law subjects irrespective of the combination of program which he or she chooses in the 5-year law program. So I'll help you understand this more in a simpler way by taking the outlines from two of the top national law schools, two of the top law schools curriculum, one from GNLU and the other from Symbiosis Law School. I'm sure you are aware about the two law schools. They are one of the prestigious law schools in the country, and I'm sure you will be targeting those colleges while you are applying for these colleges. So let us look at the course outline as suggested by Gujarat National University, Gandhinagar. So if you look at at your screen, you will see in the first semester, the core subjects remain same for every student. Whether you have taken B.ALL.B or whether you have taken B.B.ALL.B, you study communicative English, you study legal methods, you study legal history of India along with law of torts. So these 4 subjects are common for every student. But if a student has taken B.ALL.B, the other 2 subjects would be Principle of Economics and Introduction to Political Science. Similarly, a student who has taken BBA/LLB, his combination will change and it will become Principles and Practices of Management and Corporate Accounting. So you can see the difference among the two programs. It's generally the course combination which is differing. Similarly, if you look at the second semester outline, the 4 core subjects remain same for every student, whereas the difference comes in the combinations. Whereas a B.ALL.B student studies macroeconomics along with political theory, a BBA/LL.B student studies managerial economics along with management accounting. So this is the change which is out there in the outline. So you can see it is the combination of the program which is largely different actually, otherwise the core subject remains law. Similarly, if I look at the outline of Symbiosis Law School, Pune, you can see they have almost 8 to 9 core subjects in the first semester itself, while the B.ALL.B students along with the core subjects studies history and sociology, BB.ALL.B students studies business studies and projects related to business studies. So I hope you have understood how to make a call. It's actually dependent on the course outline. So if your college allows you for multiple disciplines, which one to select should be dependent on your interest as well as your academic background. So you'll find it easier during the first 3 years or first 2 years, as the case may be, while you are studying, so that you spend more time on the core aspect of the study, which is legal subjects. I'm sure by now you have all the clarity. So always remember, the graduates in both streams get similar opportunities. Many students have this concern that if I go for BB/LLB, I'll have better placement opportunities. Remember, that's not the case. A very simple example would be National Law School, Bangalore. I hope you understand. We are talking about Harvard of the East, and Harvard of the East only offers BA/LLB. And I'm sure you are aware their students do not struggle about placements at all. So they have the best of the placements happening for them. So whether you have taken BA/LLB or BB/LLB, there's no difference as such when it comes to placements or job opportunities, whether it is in corporate, whether it is in litigation, whether you want to get into judicial services, or you want to be an academician, you want to teach in a law school, or you are looking for higher studies abroad, or maybe a job opportunity in international organization. So choose your combination wisely based on your interest and aptitude. I'm sure you have seen the CLAT form filling advisory session, which has been already uploaded on YouTube as well for future reference. If not, the link is given in the description below. Do check the video before you apply for the CLAT. Thank you so much.